very much the home screen of the AI application. And as you can see here, there's a lot of AI features which you can use with this AI application here. You have the face expression, a lot of them, all of these much related to female types of AI edits. And as well, you do have templates which you can use. As you can see, you have a lot of AI templates which you can use. All you have to do is pretty much upload a clear photo of yourself and you pretty much get these results. Very, very easy. So as you can see, you have the image to video section. You have a lot of sections here. As you can see, you have this section here as well. The AI transformation section here as well. As you can see here, you have this option, and all of these are very, very easy to do. All you have to do is select whichever one of these that you want to try out, one of these templates. Do keep in mind you're going to need credit to pretty much use these features. So for example, I'm going to go into the image to video option. Here, let's say for example, I want to use the smile template. Here we'll just upon the transform your photo. We'll tell you how much points, or when I say credits, you're gonna need to pretty much use this here. So I'm gonna tap on the transform your photo option here. I'm gonna upload the photo that I want to use. I'm just gonna upload this one here that I have in my gallery. I've already done with it and so forth. So here, once you have done pretty much uploaded, you can go ahead at the top here. You will see the progress of the image will be shown in that section. So it will take a while, so do keep that in mind. So as you can see here, currently I have 20 credits left, and you pretty much will be required to use 50 credits. So it's not for all AI or all of these templates. Some templates may cost more based on what you're doing in these templates. Anyways, so you do have other features which you can use. You have face expression changer, you have this option here, a lot of other features, and as well you can tap on the more features option to see even more features which you can use. So as you can see here, these are all the AI features that it offer, and all of these features are very easy to use. As I said before, every one of these, all of these is upload a clear image of yourself, or if it's the image editor option here in this image editor section here, all you have to do is just upload the image, and here you pretty much enter a prompt saying what you want to change in that image. So it's very easy to do as well. You do get 3 free options by using ads. So you can watch ads to get the free image generated or created by watching ads. So you only get 3 free, but you have to watch ads over. So that's really pretty much it for that. You can add either 1 image or 2 images. Let's say you want to combine 2 images together. You can use this feature here by just uploading 2 images and then tell in the custom prompt section that you want those 2 images to be merged. So very, very easy to use. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And in the photo section, here you pretty much see all the templates as I said before, as well the my section is pretty much where you see all the image generated on this application here. And at the top, you do get free credits by just using or checking in on the application. You can tap on this at the top here, and by just checking in on the application. So do make sure you do this every day, so you do get free credits as well. So not just free credits, you're going to need to get credits and you can purchase them as well. So you can tap on the kind option at the top here, and you can purchase coins, and as well as you can see here the prices, and you do get discount as a new user for the first time in the application. You do get a discount as you can see here. But these are pretty much the prices for the coins that you're going to need to generate your videos or pretty much use this application here overall. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.